Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now. Confirm the Azure Latch shows green and firmware V1. 4. That ensures protocol compatibility. Next, approach the Kunigami gate from the designated vector and clear a 3-meter radius so nothing interferes. Once there, lock your primary tool into the only way mode. This mode forces latch sequencing. Activate the latch with a short press, not a hold, because timing matters for the initial handshake. If the device beeps twice, you've begun the proper sequence and can proceed immediately. Once done with the handshake, execute the 4-step cadence. Tap, pause half a second, tap, then hold for 1 full second. That pattern aligns the latch rotor. Watch the indicator bands carefully. Blue means sync, amber means alignment needed, white means engage, so make adjustments only while amber is active. If amber lingers beyond 5 seconds, slightly rotate your stance by 10 degrees either way and repeat the cadence. This targeted correction prevents misalignment and preserves charge. So be deliberate. To finish, wait for the white indicator to remain solid for 3 seconds. That guarantees the latch is engaged. Then release the hold slowly and secure the mechanism with 2 quick clicks to lock the interface. Make sure to double-check the seal visually and by touch. If something goes wrong, if indicators flash red or the latch won't secure, perform a full reset of the Azure Latch, reinitiate the first-step handshake, and repeat the sequence. That recovery flow resolves 90% of common faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.